We've had our utility room now for around 3 months. So we started planning the project in around July, and by August everything was ordered really, so we could start the project. It took about a month to complete. We went for the Wickes lifestyle kitchen units in Ohio. That's a lovely shaker style kitchen. We went for the sage colour to really reflect the surroundings that we're in. So we're in the countryside now, and this is going to be quite a busy room. We use it as a utility space, second kitchen, boot room, so we just wanted something tranquil and calming. In terms of the kitchen itself, we got the Albina marble worktop, and that's super durable, and then we got the Renaissance mixer tap in like a brushed gold, which is really beautiful and it complements the kitchen. I was fairly clear that I wanted something that reflected the countryside setting and the farmhouse that we're in, but going into store was super helpful. So when we went into Wickes, they have an area called the Selection Centre, and there you can look at all of the different kitchen cupboards, handles, worktops. You can even go and grab the paint samples and tiles, and that lets us just play around with the different colours, the different cabinet types, and swap things in and out. And it was especially helpful for the worktop because at first, in my mind, I was thinking kind of like a classic white or grey marble, and that just helped me realise that that just wouldn't have worked with the type of style of tiles that we've got and the type of doors that we've got. So it was just perfect to help us swap things in and out. To get inspiration for the utility room, I mainly used Pinterest and Instagram. Had a look through Pinterest, got together some pins, saw a bit of a theme coming through, jumped over to Instagram, had a look at people's accounts that I knew had countryside kitchens, and then from that I pulled a mood board together of the key things that I liked, and then I just used that to take into Wickes when I went and had a design appointment. Really, we wanted 3 things from it: a second kitchen, a utility room, and also a boot room area. We like to host, so a second kitchen was quite important for us. And then we're a family of 5, so we wanted somewhere to hide the coats and the bags. And I have to say that the Wickes lifestyle kitchen units have just been super flexible to help us do that. Especially from a boot room perspective, we've been able to create, using their units and then a lovely bit of wooden worktop, a bench area that we and the children can sit on and put coats and shoes on. So that just makes life a lot easier. We have been able to get lots of the appliances, like a second oven, a second dishwasher, as well as a stacked washer dryer, to really nail all of those 3 requirements. So we're really pleased with how it's turned out. So once David had been here and he'd measured up, he went away and pulled some initial designs together for us, and he emailed them over. So that was great because it just meant we could have a look at the designs, have a look at the space, discuss them, and then we went into store. That was brilliant because we were able to be in store, see all of the different options, and then David could pull up the design on the computer, swap things in and out. So we could swap the tiles, we could swap the colour of the doors, and that just brought it to life brilliantly for us and enabled to see what the final design would look like. One of the things was that we had an existing fireplace in here, and we thought we'd have to rip it out, but actually David's suggestion was to use the alcove and build storage around it and within it. So it's been really helpful because it saved us pulling the whole thing out, and it's created a space where we can put everyone's shoes and bags. So it's been a brilliant piece of design advice there. Actually, it was brilliant because it was super flexible. We didn't need them for a few weeks, and so rather than having them sitting around and risk them being damaged, we actually delayed it and got them maybe 3 weeks later. But I guess the point was we could have had it so immediately that it was brilliant. The Wickes lifestyle kitchen units are really easy to install. They come as flat pack, which is super helpful in terms of being able to store them before you're ready to put them in. And then our design consultant David gave us an annotated fitters pack, and that meant that our builders who were installing the kitchen had lots of notes and detail about how it needed to be installed. So I think the guarantee on the Wickes lifestyle kitchen units is super impressive because you get a 10-year guarantee on your cabinets and your drawers, and that includes things like your runners, your hinges, the legs, and then you get a 5-year guarantee on the doors and on the drawer fronts and even on the handles as well. My favourite feature of our new utility room is definitely the seating area we've created, because we have used the units to create a bench area with a really lovely wooden worktop, and it's just the perfect space for a ton of storage for coats and bags and shoes, but as well it's a great place for us to be able to sit down, put the kids' coats and shoes on before we head out the door. In terms of appliances, we went for the AEG oven, which is an actual dream of an oven. Firstly, it's got a self-clean setting, which is perfect because I am not a fan of cleaning. And secondly, it's got a pizza setting, which the kids absolutely love. And we also went for a Bosch dishwasher, and that is perfect because it just gives us the additional space, especially when we're hosting or for Christmas, to be able to have lots of people around and then have a second place to put all of our dishes and just pop them on and not worry about them. I would recommend designing a utility or a kitchen with Wickes to anybody. I think that when I think of Wickes, I often think about popping there for some paint or for some sandpaper, some paneling, but actually going there for a kitchen has been incredible. They've got such an amazing range of colours and accessories. We had our own design consultant who was brilliant and held our hand the whole way through, and we just could not be happier with the creation of this room and how it's turned out.